So yeah, we're back and checking on the bees again. Doing some more stuff. We're returning them frames again.
One frame.
Yeah, the frame. The frame which
Okay.
yeah, okay. Interesting. A bit more bees than last time up here.
Some right here too. Oh yeah.
Still doesn't really seem like they're doing much of anything up here. But
No comb?
no comb. But there's more of them.
Nowhere?
Nowhere.
Not seeing any comb either. Okay.
But more bees, and they're making
a lot of bees. Okay. Tell me what to do.
Smoke them.
Looks like maybe start from this side. There's more space over here.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's it's kind of easier for me to do it here. Oops.
Pull it evenly.
Up here we go. And yeah.
Center on comb.
More stuff going on. Perfect. Empty from this side, but that's fine.
We have another frame that's coming apart. We'll just leave that out so that you have a space.
Thank you for reminding me. Just doing that.
Anybody in there? Nectar? Okay.
Just nectar. Straightforward.
More comb.
More honey. More comb, more honey. Simple stuff. They're doing their stuff. That's what we need them to do.
Check the fuel.
Yeah, I'm checking it over here. Seems pretty good, as far as I can tell. Are still building stuff here. Yeah, we kind of have a big problem here. I was fixing this frame over here. And those are kind of pretty broken looking one. I'm sorry to tell you.
Is there brood on it? Yes.
Yes, a lot of it.
Okay, so they grew together.
Not a lot. And it also seems to be doing pretty good relatively. There's some small eggs at the top here.
Yes, it does.
And more brood up here. More brood up here. There's this now we can't fix it.
Can I restaple it or no?
You can try and restaple it at the
How
bottom.
about from the top? Well,
It's stapled at the bottom too, so I really don't think we need to. You can try. I'm just gonna put it like this. Okay, I'm gonna. Okay, I'm holding it for you. Okay, got that one. I'm getting a bit upset, so.
okay, go ahead.
Put it back in. There's quite a bit of brood on it. So, he's this good. This one is
a lot of honey.
also kind of
Look at
okay.
the staples are already in.
Yeah, there's kind of a bit of staples in there. And more brood. And more eggs at the very corner down here. The very, very corner. There, corner.
Any chance to staple it at the bottom?
And a lot more eggs. Queen has been here, like, really recently. That's good. Means the queen is going up. That means that the queen is, we've got more bees coming probably next month, by what is like a 20 some days, 26, 20.
There's a lot of honey there.
There's also some brood. Don't see any eggs on this one, but sure seems like a pretty good deal, if you ask me. Pretty heavy. Yep. This one is
Nothing on it.
nothing.
This must be one that we put in.
Yeah, this is
One of the drain, or one of the end frames before.
Yes, this is the before end frame.
Building comb, but nothing.
Nothing, just honey and stuff.
Nothing on this one. You want to put this into the middle?
Just take this, take that one that you brought.
Where's the third?
Because we're kind of gonna need it. They're gonna go on this one pretty quick.
Right, it's got comb.
And got honey on it too.
Let's put this frame in here now.
Yes,
The end frame is, there's nothing on it, so there's no point to do anything with that. Okay?
Okay, I'm gonna.
Yeah.
Yeah. I know. I'm trying to do it.
There, you got it.
Make sure to properlize this one. So, yeah, fuel resources are looking pretty good.
Want more fuel? We're good?
No, we're good. Might have to push these frames in general over.
From this way.
Yeah. In general, because
This one. And I think you'll be able to access them.
yeah, that will help. Oh, this one's falling apart. Oh no! I can't. Oh. Get in! Come on. Nothing's happening.
Oh, they're pretty shook up now. All right.
So, yeah, we might. Once again.
Together.
There we go. Oh. I think a queen might be close, just to let it usually cluster around it.
Yeah.
But you just keep smoking them on this place specifically. Just to make it breed it. Okay.
Okay, careful lifting it. There's a queen cell there, but it's open. Way there.
Yeah, to me it looks like more brood, more calf brood in general on this one. I'm putting this one down here. We have more space. This frame has a lot of stuff going on here. Now, Looks like the queen has been here too pretty recently. I don't see the queen, but she might be close, like really close. Because they seem a little bit nervous. I should probably say so. Should be nothing really going on here. Kind of a problem.
Be careful when you slide it in.
This one. This frame is looking pretty broke. Wait.
Slide this a little bit here. See if we can get down there. There you go. Okay. You got it?
Yes, I got it. We got it.
Okay, we're gonna crush a bunch of comb if we try to staple it.
Yeah, we sure are, and there seems to be some drone brood in there too. Really, there you saw. Yeah, I'll put that at the top here. It's kind of broken here.
We're not gonna be able to staple it though.
We won't. And I don't even really want to try.
Can I get them in the bottom? Not if it's needed, or maybe it is needed. Would help.
It's
yes,
not.
It would help.
It's not gonna work because it's.
Okay. Put it back.
We're putting it back.
Put it back for now.
Do we have any rubber bands?
I think they might be back up at the garage. I'll go get them.
Yeah, I'm gonna leave this one kind of middle section, if you will. There we go. Some more ones here. Here, like that. These ones are some eggs in the center, I'd expect. And quite a bit of brood. This is another checker brood type of one, where we moved the frames and it kind of worked. Kind of worked, but not really worked. It's kind of worked. Most of these are capped, and it looks like they're freshly capped, like these are a single, just first time use, and stuff like that.
Grab that frame.
Can you help me? Can you smoke them for a sec? At the corner here. Thank you. Them to move. Yep, there we go. And let's take this. Oh. Here.
We don't have time for precision. We just have time for
Kind of difficult.
trying to do it. Yeah, I know. Okay.
Okay, I think that's probably good enough.
No, it's better than nothing.
Yes. Come on.
It's not gonna fit right.
I'm gonna go up before I get bees all over.
So
They're not really coming around here, are they?
No.
well, anyway, so
Boy, you got a lot of bees.
more brood, a lot more brood.
Patched out.
And in the corner here, there's a lot of.
Is that a queen cell or is it open?
It's open.
All right, thanks.
It's open, and it seems like there's going to be a lot of brood on this frame in the future. Cap brood. Seems pretty good. Now here's another one of these.
Damaged frame. I better go grab some pans.
Yeah, do that. Grab some bands. You're gonna kind of need them. There we go. Also, kind of. Oh, this is a pretty good looking one. Also, fresh comb. A pretty fresh comb. More brood on it. Trying to Put them back in. Really can't fix this one a lot, really can't do much because they're pretty broken. Okay. These ones are looking pretty good. Not a lot of stuff going on them.
Okay, that must be one of the frames that we checkerboard in. We're gonna have to try to staple this one.
Okay, take it. Yeah, take it away from me. Don't shake it. Okay, now because you shook them, now I have to smoke them like pretty hard here. Come on, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, go back in. Come on. Here. Alright, we understand. We understand the concerns here. The camera's probably looking pretty smoky here, but I'm just having these trying not to fly because they're like, oh, it's smoky, it's fire. And give it to me.
A lot of cat brood there, and it's open. This one's hatched.
There's a lot of cat brood and a lot of eggs. There's a lot of eggs. And they see those two bees, which are, if they're currently feeding each other honey, it makes the honey dry here. It might be hard to see it, but
I got a still here of it.
yeah, we can show it later on. But look at this element of there's the eggs here. You see the tiny eggs. Keep smoking them. Yeah, hey, the smoke is hot. And it's also smoking. Means that there's still some fuel in it.
Check it though. It seems like it's slowing down.
I think it's fine. Oh. Looks good. Looks actually very good. Normal. It's absolutely normal. And keep moving on here. Moving on.
Some of the comb up against the wall.
In general, pretty normal stuff. These ones are empty. I think I should probably put them in closer to the center so that the queen fills them up. Because they're empty.
Here's one of those checkerboard frames.
Maybe you should move them. Yep. Yeah, that's a good place to put it. Hopefully the queen goes here and fills it up.
Does her work. Okay, let's put that frame back in.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea.
We're smoking them. We need fuel.
Okay. I'm bring stuff closer here.
Where are you going to put it? You're putting it here? Put it back on the end.
Back on the end. I think it's a good place to put it, considering it had so much stuff on it.
Okay. Just don't disrupt the order too much.
Yeah. That's probably the right place to say it. I don't think the smoke inside, it just so I can get it in without really trying to crush too many. Oh my, look at this.
You're gonna have to move, girls.
smoker here.
Right here too, you know.
Yeah, start putting it
Maybe we
on.
need to brush it.
Get a brush. Start from this side. And slowly, you know, slide on here.
Slide in. How are we positioned? Okay.
Yep, that seems okay to me.
They're hanging around in the super, so here, smoke a little bit.
Oh, the smoker is really hot. Put it on. Well, it was probably the best operation that we really had, you know. The bees are fine and everything. So I think that these are a really good day. And like, subscribe, comment. The comments really help. The comments are really important. They're more important than, well, the likes are also really important. But subscribing if you want to, but probably the likes and comments are the most important thing we can really do here. It really helps us. And really helps educate people about probably the most part is what not to do. Is the most educational part here is what we shouldn't be doing. You know, people are like, oh, where's the great beekeepers? You know everything. No, you can't know everything. You know, I think I'm kind of running out of view here.